The secret to younger, radiant skin? A 10-minute LED mask that works like magic. Say goodbye to wrinkles, fine lines, acne, and dull skin, because the iRestore LED face mask is here to revolutionize your skincare routine. Packed with an insane 360 LEDs, this high-powered device delivers red, blue, and infrared light therapy to refresh, tighten, and heal your skin faster than your favorite serum. With 2x the power of leading brands, it's not just another gimmick, it's scientifically designed to restore your glow, smooth wrinkles, and clear up breakouts in as little as 6 weeks. No pain, no downtime, just pure, effortless skin transformation. Why settle for average when you can have the best? Unlike weak, low-quality LED masks, the iRestore Illumina Skincare Mask is built with Triple Wavelength Technology, precisely targeting every skin concern with medical-grade power. Red light boosts collagen and fights aging, blue light destroys acne-causing bacteria, and infrared works deep beneath the skin to heal, tighten, and refresh. Trusted by 500,000-plus satisfied customers and backed by 20 years of research, this isn't just skincare, it's skin science at its finest. Engineered for superior durability and performance, it's the most powerful LED face mask on the market today. Too busy for 10-step skincare? No problem. This hands-free, lightweight mask fits perfectly into your routine. Pop it on for just 10 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week, and let the LED magic do its thing. The dual strap system keeps it snug, while the built-in eye protection lets you scroll, sip coffee, or relax without discomfort. Whether you're getting ready for bed or multitasking your way through the day, this mask works while you do you, with zero effort required. Unlike other masks that slip or feel heavy, this contoured, breathable design ensures ultimate comfort and convenience. Ditch expensive facials and overpriced creams. Why spend hundreds on spa treatments when you can get the same powerful results at home? This one-time investment saves you time, money, and frustration by tackling multiple skin concerns at once. No need to switch up your skincare routine, it works with your favorite products to enhance results. Plus, it's FDA listed, GMP certified, and backed by a 100-day risk-free trial, so you can try it without any worry. With long-lasting durability and proven results, it's an investment in your skin's future that keeps paying off. Real results. Zero regrets. If you're ready for radiant, youthful skin without the guesswork, chemicals, or expensive treatments, the iRestore LED Face Mask is your new skincare MVP. More power. More results. Less effort. Whether you're tackling signs of aging, breakouts, or uneven skin tone, this clinically tested, dermatologist-approved device has your back. With visible improvements in as little as 6 weeks, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Get yours today and watch your skin glow like never before.